if I read them all out, but just want to highlight a couple. Our educators and organizations who we work with, especially school staff and teachers who prepare students with skills and connect them with us. And they do that work all year round. Our public schools and Office of State Superintendent, DC Public Schools, the college and career team is just amazing and completely in the trenches with us, with OSSI, when it comes to arranging hundreds of interviews, matching hundreds of young people to opportunities, and problem solving, more problem solving, and more resourceful problem solving through internships and trainings, and now with one of our partners, CityWorks, with youth apprenticeships. But there is one that comes before all this year and from the very beginning, and I'm taking over the privilege of saying that because how significant it's been for me in this, even starting on-ramps. The one that makes it possible for the students to both advance their career aspirations with on-ramps and to immediately contribute to their families and education tuition by earning wages. And I don't think most of our students, well, maybe half of them, would be here without getting paid. But the Department of Employment Services and the Marion Barry Summer Youth Employment Program, which we all know as MBSYEP, is that organization. It's really, Thennie Freeman, I think, is here, along with Dr. Morris Hughes, for the work that you've dedicated to as long as we've known you, and to leading really a massive undertaking of SYEP each year. We know that you get the tough calls that inevitably happen when we have literally thousands and thousands of young people, most of whom turn to SYEP for their very first job. So we just want to thank you for supporting on-ramps for many years, and all the work that you've done is so foundational to what we do. And sometimes we forget to say thanks, and we just want to do that today. You've launched so many DC youth towards their careers.